Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to send automatic replies in your Microsoft Outlook account. Uh, you want to set automatic replies during you are out of office or you are not available to reply. So what you have to do, just to set up automatic replies, just go into your Outlook and log in your account. Then here you will see setting option at the top of right side corner. Okay, just click on setting option and then here you will see four options: general, email, calendar and people. Okay, just click on email and here you will see automatic replies. Just click on it and turn it on. Here you will see send replies only during a time period. Okay, you can just tick mark it, and if you know that you are at that time or any date you are not available in the office or you are not available to reply that mail, you can set start time from set date here, and also set time from here, and also you can also set the end time from here and date. And also here you will see block my calendar for this period. You can check this one: automatic decline new invitation for event that occurs during this time. Check that one. And here you will see first option is set automatic replies inside your organization. If you receive any mail from your organization, you can replies, just type here for that mail. Okay, now here you will see send replies outside of your organization. Just click on it and here you can just type the message for the mail which come from outside of your organization. Okay, after that, here you have to just click on the save. Okay, so when you click on the save, all this you will just simply automatically replies are currently turned on. You will get that notification. So like this you can turn on automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.